A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to explain you the next topic, how to insert symbol and special characters. Okay, symbol and special characters are punctuation and spacing or typographical characters that are generally available on standard keyboard. They can be inserted from symbol dialog box. So if you want to insert any character, any punctuation mark, any typographical character, you can use with the help of symbol dialog box. Okay, to insert symbol, place the cursor there only where you want to place the symbol. Now click on symbol button available on the insert tab. Okay, so you have to click on insert tab, go to the symbol button. There you will see symbol button, click on this. There are the lots of symbol and select the symbol. Select the font, size, everything through which we can modify or insert the symbol. Now, so similarly we can add different types of symbol whenever it is required in our document. For more symbol, you have to click on more symbol button, and there are lots of symbol we can be used in our document. Click on insert, your symbol will be inserted. Select the symbol, click on insert, your symbol will be inserted. Okay, select the symbol, click on insert, your symbol will be inserted here on. Likewise, we can insert the symbol in our document. Now the last topic of this chapter is applying shadow. So how to apply shadow? To apply shadow, make a shape with the help of shape button. So this is the shape option. So click on this and choose any shape and draw the shape. Okay, I have draw the shape of a smiley. So now I want to apply shadow effect. So just click on this shape and go to format option. Go to format option and choose the shadow effect option. So these are the shadow effect. Click on this. These are the area. This one is called the nudge show up. This one is called the nudge shadow right. This is called the nudge shadow left, right, up and down. So select any shape, any side like this only, and you can apply the shadow effect. We can also apply 3D shape, 3D effect also with the help of 3D effect. Like this, we can apply 3D effect. We can fill color like this only. So like this, we can apply shadow to any shape. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.